Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 10. What fraction of these circles have x in them? Right. Here you see there are how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 circles. Right. There are 8 circles. And how many circles have x in them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 8, 4 circles have x in them. Right. The question is what fraction of these circles have x in them? Therefore, if we change into lowest term, that is 4 on the 4 and 4 to the 8. It is 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 of these circles have x in them. 1 by 2 of these circles these circles have x in them. Right. Again, here see there are 8 circles. Out of 8 circles, 4 circles have x in them. Therefore, it will be 4 by 8. And we change into less term 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 of these circles have x in them. This is the solution of question number 10.